Today we are going to learn how to save current command and execute new command. Now let's get started. Say in my current working directory I have different file. Now I want to delete example2.txt file, but I'm not sure whether this file has content or not. On that case, what I will do is I will try to do Ctrl C, then I will try to use cat exam, then I will try to use cat with this specific file to ensure that it doesn't have any content. But we have a better approach to do this. What you need to do is, let's try to repeat the same steps again. I've typed the file name with rm command. Now instead of doing Ctrl C, I can do Ctrl U. This will clear the text which you written. Now you can type the command which you like to run. I want to run cat example2.txt. If I hit enter, it will print nothing because it doesn't have any content. If I do Ctrl Y, the command which I deleted will come again. If I hit enter, it will delete. That's it. Thanks for watching.